So for this year's Easter gift boxes, I want to offer such a box here containing 5 different skincare products, and then I have these cute Easter baskets here, and I thought it would be great to have one handmade soap, a lip balm, and then one of these cute little floral cupcakes that I recently made. And then I have the cupcake liners, and they come with a lid. I found them on Amazon, and I'm gonna leave a link down in the description, as well as for every other thing that I have here. So just wanted to see how this looks. It's very springy, and I absolutely love it. Just like so. And then add it to the little basket. I think it's really cute. Then I want to create a smaller version for a smaller budget, so to speak. This is just going to be one soap cupcake and a lip balm. I found these little, I don't know how you call it, like big gift box in a local shop, but I will leave some links for similar options on Amazon down in the description. It comes with some little perforated holes so that you can add a ribbon. Same for this gift box. I absolutely love it. You can assemble it. It comes flat. I'm going to show you. It comes flat like this from Amazon, and then you can just assemble it and add the ribbon that come also with the packaging. I think it's really cute. Now what we can do also for like a gift box to make it a bit more interesting is to add a cello foil. I'm going to grab a scissor. A little Easter egg or Easter basket. Just gonna choose a ribbon. I know satin ribbons that are a little bit thicker. I think it gives the packaging more volume. More importance, if you know what I mean. Voila. So 3 different kind of gift box ideas with 3 different price categories. I also wanted to quickly show you what ideas I came up with last year, maybe for an inspiration as well. I found these blue egg cartons here. I mean, you could also use regular egg cartons or maybe paint it yourself, or use it just with a natural color. I will leave a link down in the description for an option in your area, because I found these in a local shop. Then I made 4 different melt and pour eggs using a mold that is not available anymore, but I will also leave a link to another option on Amazon. You could also make eggs out of cold process soap, of course, and color them all with the same color. I just opted for 4 different pastel colors and 4 matching fragrances. A fabric ribbon is a great option to pull everything together. Here I even created some labels for the occasion. By the way, if you are a patron, then you can receive all my templates and customize it according to your preference or likings, and then use it for yourself. Using some typical Easter grass, I filled some cupcake liners and some with tissue paper as well. I will leave link to ingredients and tools and all these materials that I'm using in the different videos and in the different projects. These are actually small melt and pour soaps. You could also make some bath truffles shaped like little bunnies, for example, why not? Like seen before, these gift baskets that can really hold quite an amount of products and are great especially when wrapped in cellophane. If you're interested in other videos around the subject of soap making, check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you soon. Bye bye!